Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still am looking at this as possibly already having 5 waves up. This is possibly an A of B, B of B, and I think it needs to go down for a C of B. Then I think it needs to go up for the bigger wave C, so that way it means this would be a wave A, 3 waves down for a wave B, and then possibly an uptrend for a wave C. Probably the whole thing is either a big ABC of B or a big ABC of 2. So heading down to the weekly time frame, definitely no real proof that it really is going down, and it possibly could keep going up. Maybe even retest some of these highs right here. Definitely looks like it kind of wants to. I still think at some point, whether it goes up and retests the highs or not, I still think at some point it's going to go down and make a wave C of this A, B, C of wave B. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure to the downside, which makes me think that this move up is likely going to be a crescent to the downtrend, possibly even a wave 1, wave 2. The dollar CAD has been extremely sideways for at least a month or two now, so we need to see a good breakout before we really can confirm anything, which it did break structure to the downside. Hopefully that's telling us that this move up is going to be a crescent to this move down, and that it will just keep on going down, making lower lows, lower highs on the daily time frame. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, I really don't see any reason to think this is over. I mean, we do have 5 ways up so far, but that doesn't really tell me anything. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did go up, especially again because we haven't even hit a Fibonacci retracement level yet. If it goes up to a fib level, then goes down, then breaks structure, that's exactly what I would be looking for a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend, or downtrend that is. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, for now I would still be looking for longs. I think there's a good chance that this right here could even be a long. We have Canadian news coming out today, GDP I believe. I think there's a good chance it could cause another long on the dollar pairs, maybe pushing it up to the 78%. Then hopefully what happens, maybe next week sometime is it ends a crescent, breaks structure to the downside, proving that this move up is over and proving that we're back into a downtrend. Hopefully this is all a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and it goes down for a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.